Hey everybody. So this morning we talked about area and the area of rectangles and parallelograms. And when we're finding the area of a rectangle parallelogram, there's only one thing we need to know, and that's how to find the area, which is what we've learned in the past is length times width, or as we're going to refer it from now on is base times height. Same thing, length, width, base, height, they're the same dimensions. So to find the area, we're multiplying two dimensions, base and height. So that works for rectangles, it works for parallelograms. So let's draw a rectangle right now and trust my handy dandy steady hand. So here I have a rectangle and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll say this is 4 centimeters. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. So knowing that to find the area is length times width, we know that we need to multiply 4 times 7. Okay, that's length times width or base times height, as I said earlier. So 4 times 7 is 28. So it's 28 centimeters squared because we're talking about the number of squares on the inside. So when we look at this, we can say the inside, okay, the inside area of this figure is 28 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's another thing to remember too, is that, so we're not confused, is that area, okay, it refers to everything on the inside. There's that other measurement term called perimeter, and that's the outside all the way around. So they're two different things. Let's look at a parallelogram now. We're using the same thing. So let me draw my parallelogram. I'm going to go over here and draw my diagonal line there. Draw a line this way. Draw another diagonal line to there. Draw a line here. Okay, and usually what you'll see is you'll see a line on the inside like this. And it'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll say, oh, this is 4 centimeters. That's the height of this figure. And then we have another measurement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is going to be 9 centimeters. Okay. Now parallelograms, it's all parallel, so all the lines are the same length. So when we look at this, this is a 4 by 9, or 4 times 9. So 4 times 9 gives me 36 centimeters squared. So whatever you're doing, whether it's a rectangle or a parallelogram, you're using the same formula, base times height, to get that answer. All right, so hopefully that helps you in moving forward in finding the area of rectangles and quadrilaterals, or parallelograms, sorry, parallelograms.